Hi everyone, welcome to the day 19 of our 24-day series of Microsoft Fabric. So today we are going to use the KQL basics in our Microsoft Fabric. In our last video, we have created a workspace and we have created an event house. So today we are going to use KQL basics like view, filter and project data. And by the end of this video, you will be able to read, filter and save the data using KQL. So SQL is for the tables, but KQL is for logs, events, and the real-time data. Okay. So we have created a KQL database. Okay. And here you can see this database is optimized for fast and real-time queries. Now for learning, let's create a sample table. Okay. And we will start with the sample data. So let's find out from where we can have a sample data. Get data. So here we have real-time hub. How we can add data, you can see. Okay. Log file, Azure file, event hub, event stream, pipeline, data flow, connect more data sources. So anything we can connect. Okay. So I'll select event hub and basically we don't have any. So I want to select the sample data. So sample data, let's find out the sample data. So here, this is the real-time hub. So these are the data sources. So sample data, I want to take the sample scenarios. Let's connect the bike cycle rental. As I told you, we can go to the real-time hub and from there we can connect to a sample data source. So this is a new event stream. Stream name it is. So in this workspace only. Okay, that's fine. And I'll just click on the connect. So the event stream is created and source. So let's finish this. And again, let's go to our practice second. Yeah, so I have to provide so here you will see this is the event stream where which we can see the data is coming real time and which is refreshed on 10:54 on today's date. If I refresh it again, I'll see some different data. Okay. So sources we have the sample source, but destination we don't have. So what right now we have to provide a destination. So first of all, let's first remove some columns here. I don't want everything or else let's first transform it. So I want to filter. Okay. So first of all, the preview, let the preview start. Okay, I want to filter data for street Burdett Road. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll just click on this filter action, select a field, street Burdett Road, right? Equals to the data was Burdett Road, right? Let it filter the data for Burdett Road. There is no data. Let's say BURDET and road ROAD. BURDET R capital. Okay, let's save this. So the transformations which I have added, which is just a filter, the basic filtering we have added. Let's see after filtering, we are getting data or not. Yeah, for Burdett Road, we are getting data. Okay. Now what I'll do, I'll just add a destination. Okay. So event house, I need to select. So I have the event house practice. Okay. See, I have selected that. And it's asking me to create a new event house. But why? Okay. I'll just write eh underscore practice. Okay. Yeah. And I think, okay, we have to, no need of this. So sorry. It was not required. Yeah. Then table name I need to provide. So table I need to create a new. So bicycle, I'll just write bicycle, bicycle. Done. Input format will be JSON. Okay. Now I just need to save this. Okay. And here the filter is working only for Burdett Road. So what I have to do? So everything is working here. So just a second, I need to publish this. Okay. So here you can see the streaming data is coming on time by time. And now I just have added a event house and it will be loaded to the event house. Okay. But if I want to edit this, I can just click on the edit and I can do edit the data. Okay. As of now, what I want, I just don't want to use a filter. So what I'll do, go to edit, I'll remove this filter. Okay. And just I'll connect it with this. I just connect it so that we can load the all the data as of now. So what is the error? The query even perform update operation. The node must be any of this unknown created failed. Failed to publish change validation error. Event house, the node event house is creating state in order to perform update operation. Just I need to provide a destination. So I'll again event house. Again, everything will be same. Just I need to save this and I'll publish this. Okay, fine. Now we will just let it load. Now we will go to the KQL database and there we will try to query the table. Okay. Basically this video only for the querying part and not for the transformation part that we will see in our next video. So I thought of not doing it in this video, but yeah, as you can see, we didn't add any sample file. So I think this is covering the next video as well. So how we can use event stream. So we need to have a data source, then we have to connect it with the event stream, then event stream we need to do the transformations, and then finally we can provide the destination. So similar to the data pipeline. Okay. So we can create event stream by clicking on the new item. Okay. And you can see this is live. Okay. This is live mode. We can go to the edit mode and we can edit. So as of now, it is active. You can see. Okay. Now let's go to, I think we covered the, just a second, what is happening here, business intelligence. Okay. So this I'll remove because I don't need this basically. And I'll move to this to the event stream folder, which I have created previously. What is this? This one also I'll remove, not required. Why? Why we can't delete this? Okay, leave it. So we'll go to the event house, we'll go to our database, and here you can see in our tables. Let's refresh. Oh, why it is empty? Just a second. Let me see. Oh, I don't have the table in this now. Aha, I need to go to my real-time event stream again to see the destination. Let's edit this. Let's go to the, okay, event house practice only the table name and database name. Yeah, it's fine. We should have a table there. Just a second. Saying this database is empty. Oh, okay. Yeah, now it will come. So this will be in my this workspace and the event stream is this. Okay, next. So basically I didn't add any, so that was in the staging part. So now I can see my data. Okay, and just I need to finish and close. So let's close this. So now you can see we have our table here. Okay, and it is loading data on like it is a kind of real time streaming data which will be coming on every second. Okay, so I'll just query with code. So I'll just first start KQL query set and I'll show you how we can query the data in KQL. Okay, so here some sample examples were there, but let me write something. So basically our table name is bicycle. So bicycle, what I want is just I'll run bicycle first. Okay, so let's see what you can see just running the table name. So you can see it is working as select star from a table. So only I have to write the table name and I need to run this. So it will show me all the data from that particular table. Okay. So what it is doing, it is a kind of select star from table, right? Now let's filter the data. If I want to filter the data, what I have to do, I need to just write where. Okay. So here you can see where I want the street equals to street is coming here, street equals to, and here equals to means I can't use only single equals to, I need to use two equals to. Okay, because it will not, it will just assign it as a value if I use single equals to. Now I need to copy the body road. If I copy this, okay, control C, and I'll just keep it here. Now let's run this. So now I'll see data only for the body road, right? So this is like KQL uses these pipes and each steps passes data to the next. So these are the pipes which KQL use. Now if I want to select a column, okay. So here we have bike point, street, neighborhood, latitude, longitude, no bikes, no empty docks. So no, so what I have to select, I just want to select the bike point, street and neighborhood. Okay. So what I can use here is, okay, I'll go in the next line. I'll use bicycle, and here I need to use project. So project will be a kind of which columns I need to select. I can select here. So I need to select bike point. Just a second, bike point. So I will select bike point, comma. I need to select the street. Where is the street? Yeah, here it is the street. And I need to select the neighborhood. Okay. Now, if I run this one, see, I'll just only see only those three. Okay. So project is for the choosing of columns. Okay. Now, it's very easy. It's very easy than SQL, but you have to understand which thing do what. So the pipes is what we use for the steps. Now again, if I want to combine filter plus project, so let's do. I want to combine this and that. So first I'll use the filter. So where street equals to Burdett Road only. Let's do where street equals to Burdett Road. Same. And again, I need to use project now. So I'll project these three columns only. Okay. Or else let's add one more column, comma, no bikes. Okay. Let's add this. So if I run this, so we will see only, I will see the data of Burdett Road with no bikes, right? So queries read top to bottom like a flow. So first it will uh, it will read, select all data from bicycle, then it will do the filtering, then it will project only those three columns. So it is a top to bottom. Okay. So this is how we derive insights from real-time data. Okay. Like this is how we can get data. We can get the data. So now if I use summarize, if I want to use summarize, let's say I want to summarize the total bikes. So total bikes will be what I want to get, which is nothing, just sum of number of bikes. Okay. So number of bikes ka sum by street. Okay. So what I did, I just used this sum of total bikes group by street. Okay. Let's run this. Let's see what works, what it comes. So here you can see I got street wise total bikes. Okay. So these are some very basic KQL query which you can use to fetch data, to filter data, to use filter and select columns, and to summarize. So this is how we derive insights from the real-time data. So that's it for today's video, for this video. So in our next video, we will use the event stream, the created event stream, and we'll try to transform the data. There you saw some transformations were there. And then we will load it to this similar table only. Okay. And we will see the output in our KQL database. Okay. So that's all for today. Thanks everyone. Thanks for joining today's session. Thank you. Bye bye.